Living in Vegas is extremely hard for me to keep my tropical plants thriving. So I came across Geniani's humidifier. And y'all, let me tell you, not only is this thing super lightweight, it's super cute aesthetically, and it's so easy to put together. And the best thing that I truly love about this humidifier is that it has 3 mist levels that you can go ahead and power up to the max, or you can go at a slower pace. Another thing that's super unique about this humidifier is you have a little option to go ahead and infuse it with your own essential oils if you prefer. And another pro is that it comes with a little night light in it as well. So if you're afraid of the dark or your plants are afraid of the dark, you're all good.